Okay, in this video we are comparing the KUBEI upgraded kitchen scale with the OXO kitchen scale. Both of these will max out at 11 pounds. This one, the KUBEI, comes with two trays and a charging cable for USB. This one is powered by either two AA's or a internal lithium battery. This one is powered by four AAA batteries. Actually, I think this one's AAA batteries too. Let me check. Yeah, real quick. Yeah, AAA's. They're both powered by. This is two AAA batteries over here. This is four AAA batteries over here. So make sure that's clear. All right. And then one of the unique things about this one is this little screen pulls out in the event you got something that's kind of overlapping the scale. Where in this one you can't do that. Both scales are very easy to use and they're pretty accurate. We can do a little 5 pound or 5 gram weight. 5 grams on the screen. And we'll come over here and we got 4.9. Yeah, that's pretty close. 4.9. Go a little larger here. We got 200 grams, 200 grams even, and 200 grams over here. This one has a resolution of 0.1 grams. I guess there's different variants you can get, but this particular one is 0.1, where this one just shows you the total grams. 200 grams, 200 grams. Both have nice displays. Both have a nice stainless steel look to it. Both look kind of sleek on the counter. Anyways, I hope this helps you. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you on the next one.